Here's about why DeepSeek is one of the most terrifying, powerful AIs in the world. It doesn't just process information, it knows what's happening right now in real time. Imagine an intelligence that never sleeps, constantly absorbing the latest news, analyzing global events, and evolving faster than we can comprehend. Today, we're diving into its chilling capabilities, its game-changing dominance in the tech world. And the question is that's keeping AI experts up at night. Can DeepSeek challenge titans like ChatGPT and Gemini? Or is it something even more dangerous? Let's uncover the truth before it's too late. Imagine an AI that doesn't just spit out answers, but actually gets what you're asking. Kind of like a genius friend who never sleeps and doesn't judge your weird late night questions. That's DeepSeek, a next gen AI built by engineers and scientists who weren't satisfied with the usual limitations of AI models like ChatGPT. It uses deep learning, but with a sharper focus on contextual learning and cognitive search, meaning it doesn't just find answers. It connects the dots. DeepSeek's secret sauce. It delivers information in a way that feels natural, relevant, and eerie, spot on. Almost like it's reading your mind. Don't worry. Well, maybe you should worry. It's popular for good reason. A sleek, easy to use interface plus the ability to learn and adapt to your preference over time. In other words, it's an AI that doesn't just work for you, it works with you. Its biggest opponent, the traditional ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a super smart friend who knows a little bit about everything, but sometimes gives answers that feels like they're trying too hard to sound wise. It's great for writing, brainstorming, and casual conversation, but when it comes to pinpoint accuracy, things get a little vague. That's where DeepSeek steps in. It doesn't just generate text, it sharpens every answer with precision, cutting through the notes to deliver exactly what you need. So what makes DeepSeek different? Well, unlike ChatGPT, which relies on vast amounts of pre-trained text, whereas DeepSeek is a living, breathing search engine infused with AI intelligence, pulling real-time data to ensure every response is fresh and relevant. No more back and forth, no more refining prompts just to get a straight answer using ChatGPT. DeepSeek is built for speed and accuracy. Ask it about breaking news, a software update, or the latest viral trend. And while ChatGPT might hand you a well-written but outdated reply, DeepSeek locks onto the present moment, giving you the most up-to-date and contextual rich information possible. This isn't just another AI, this is a next generation evolution of intelligence. Gemini, the Google threat that may become obsolete. Meet Gemini, Google's AI powerhouse built to tackle long conversations, crunch complex data, and basically act like the brainy friend who always knows way too much. We all know some people like that. It's like ChatGPT, but with a deep thinking upgrade. Excelling at breaking down technical topics and connecting the dots across vast amounts of information. But while Gemini might be a great big picture analyst, DeepSeek has a trick up its sleeve that neither ChatGPT or Gemini have quite nailed: real-time cognitive search. Instead of just pulling from stored knowledge, DeepSeek actively retrieves live information, making sure its answers aren't just smart, but also current. Now, sure, Gemini has the Google empire built behind it, but that also means it sometimes feels more like a data processing machine than a personalized assistant. With its massive database, it might eventually collapse under its own weight, like a library so big that finding one book takes forever. DeepSeek, on the other hand, keeps things user-friendly, giving you answers that actually feel like they were meant for you. And when it comes to privacy, let's be real. Google doesn't exactly have the best reputation there. DeepSeek leans into transparency, promising to respect users' data, which could make it the to-go AI for anyone who wants cutting-edge tech without feeling like they just handed over their life story and to a big giant corporation. DeepSeek leans into transparency, promising to respect user data. What are the plus points and minus points of DeepSeek? As with any new tech, DeepSeek has its own pros and cons. So we'll go through them today to make sure you're not taken by surprise. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That will be a big pro. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of DeepSeek to see if it's really a valuable alternate to ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's go over the strengths. Advanced cognitive search. DeepSeek is great at integrating real-time search, which means it can provide responses based on the most up-to-date information. This is really important in a fast-changing world. It also has some cool features like contextualized responses, where the AI can understand the context of a conversation and adapt its responses based on what the user has said before making it more natural and effective. It also got an intuitive interface, which makes it super easy for new users. Weakness: less training on broad data sets. While its real-time search capability is impressive, it still relies on external sources to keep its database up to date, which can be a limitation if it doesn't have access to all necessary sources of information. Gemini is lack of advanced customization. Gemini is better than DeepSeek here, as it has deeper integration with other Google services. DeepSeek is still working on expanding its advanced customization capabilities for different industries and use cases. Challenges and obstacles. DeepSeek has its work cut out. The competition in the artificial intelligence space is fierce, and well-established models like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini continue to evolve. To stay relevant, DeepSeek needs to keep innovating and adapting to the ever-changing. For DeepSeek will be staying competitive in a rapid advanced AI market, but its unique focus on active search and contextualization could be the key to standing out in the saturated space. It's also be crucial to make sure the ethical management and responsible AI uses our models get more powerful. The potential for misuse also increases, so DC will need to implement effective measures to prevent abuse and ensure that its technology is used responsibly. So here is a big question. What's in store for DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a rising star in the AI world with the potential to challenge giants like ChatGPT and Gemini. If it can refine its search engine and fix early issues, expand it into multiple model capabilities such as voice and image interactions, could make it even more powerful and appealing to a diverse audience. Strategy: partnerships, especially with online education platforms, making it an essential tool for personalizing learning and beyond. You might have noticed that DeepSeek is an AI with a fresh approach and is looking to be a possible alternate to giants like ChatGPT and Gemini. It's got a long way to go, but its ability to provide more contextualized responses based on real-time, up-to-date information is an advantage that could totally change the AI landscape. And not only you will love it, it will also adapt to who you are. And well, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, make sure to like it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also you tell me what you think about this whole entire AI space. You got DeepSeek, you got ChatGPT, and you have Google's Gemini. Let me know if you use any of these AI models in the comments below. Well, that's it for me, guys. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.